Hi folks, today we're going to take a look at J-Town Press, where she goes to a courthouse and gets kicked out for not obeying the rules and policies. Now, for disclosure for everybody, this is an older video that she recorded earlier this year. Now, that being said, I want to thank all my current and new channel members and subscribers. Without your guys' continuous, ongoing support, I couldn't keep the channel going, so I want to thank you all personally from the bottom of my heart. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the page. Leave a like and a comment because it helps me with the algorithm. And if you can, please consider becoming a member. With all that being said, let's enjoy today's video.
We're here at the Glen County Courthouse. You can see that the flag is at half staff. I'll have to ask them about that. Trying to think of what day it is that they would have the flag at half staff. I'm not really sure. Go in here and do a little employee conduct check. I've been told this courthouse is bad, but we'll see what happens. Ooh. Wow, look at all that. I'm sorry?
Can I help you?
Yep, just put my stuff here, or, oh, it's out of order. Do I go this way? Do I put it over here?
What?
My stuff, does it get scanned, or?
Where are you going?
To the clerk's office.
Which clerk? You can't
The
bring
probate.
electronics into the courthouse.
Yeah, it's freedom of press.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Bring it in.
So what do I process through?
You have to put it in your car.
Right. So what do I process through, or?
Your camera
No.
in the car.
Yeah, are you a supervisor?
Pardon me?
I want to speak to your manager.
Can I speak to your supervisor, please?
All right, step over there.
Yeah, as soon as I get processed through.
Step over.
Well, I'd like to go to the public area, sir.
All right,
And I would like $3 million, but we're both asked out on what we want. You need to understand something, that there is a judicial order prohibiting cameras and cell phones and other electronics inside of the courthouse. Now, you can go and cooperate with them and go and do what you need to do. Instead, you're doing this just for the sheer show because it's not about getting any public records, because we all know public record requests by a frauditor is nothing more than to waste people's time and try to give them some form of pseudo legitimacy to their complaints and actions.
Yeah, public areas, please.
your court judge said no cell phones, no electronics.
So they're making law. So the judicial branch is making law now? I'm sorry?
They're not making law. The Supreme Court's ruled that
What's the case law, sir? What's the case law?
Step over here.
What's the case law?
You're going to
I can't understand you with this thing. What?
step over here.
Can I speak to your supervisor, please? I'd like to go tour the public areas and the public lobbies.
Come on up here. Are you with them? Step up here.
Yes, sorry, I need interpreter.
Are you a supervisor?
What's that?
I'm talking to him.
Yame?
Are you a supervisor, sir? Are you a supervisor? Okay, can I speak to a supervisor, please?
Now, you can talk to the supervisor until you're blue in the face. It's not going to change anything. The results will still be the same. The judicial policy states that there are no phones or electronic devices inside the courthouse. Now, you can go put your camera up and go inside and do your public records request if this is what you're truly here for. Because you're not here to hold anybody accountable. You're not there to do a conduct check because you are not an employee of the government. You are a self-proclaimed YouTube journalist who thinks she knows what's right and what's wrong and can do whatever you want by misquoting case laws.
Okay. Can I speak to? Well, what's the law, sir? Georgia law says that I'm not allowed to go in a courtroom, but I can go into the public hallways and the public lobby, sir. Can I speak to a supervisor, please? I can't understand you. What? Is there a supervisor, please?
Is this just a genetic thing with you? Is it congenital? Did your mother drop you on your head when you were a baby?
Come here. Are you a supervisor? No. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to him.
No. You go to the other side of the Bank of Commerce, man.
Well, I'd like the public access to the public area, sir.
You're not. You have to walk through security yet.
Oh, well, can you scan me through security, please? I'm trying to get access to the public lobbies and the public lobbies.
Go ahead, sir.
Well, I was first.
And?
I'm trying to get through to the public areas. I'm trying to get through to the public areas.
Put that everybody on top of me so you can do what you want.
What's that?
Hand in your pockets, see your computer off, your name tag, and go in your pockets, see your selector off.
Freedom of press, the one that you swore no to. I'll be a lot better when I can go to the public areas. Georgia law says I can't go into a courtroom. That's court. Yeah. Public lobbies. Public lobby. I don't. That's not what this cannot make law. Are you a sheriff?
Me and you met one time.
Did we meet over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So basically, they can't make law. The legislature makes law. The Constitution says freedom of press, and all I want to do is so we can get have anything else on except for my phone. I don't mind if I go through the process. Public lobbies, I go to courthouses all over Georgia.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't care what a judge says. Their power.
So you don't care what a judge says. Now, that could mean a lot of different things. But what it's saying to me is that you don't care that the Georgia Supreme Court judges have seen this and have said it does not violate anybody's constitutional rights to have this judge's administrative order put in effect. Now, are you going to feel the same way when the judge in your upcoming case rules against you? Or are you going to say, well, it doesn't matter what you say, I know I'm right, and I'm going to do whatever I want? No, it doesn't. It means you only care about your own feelings. And, well, like you always say, they're not there to enforce feelings, they're there to enforce the law.
Is inside. Okay? You swore no to the Constitution, so did I. We had a nice conversation over there.
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am.
Public hallways, public lobbies. That's where I want to go.
Can't come inside of
Georgia law. So basically, so if a judge is more powerful than the state legislature,
I know what my rules are, and that's
so you're going to refuse that.
Oh yeah. No, I'm not refusing at all. You just come into that equipment. The equipment have to go back to your car, and then you can come.
I would like to keep the public access with my freedom of press. Freedom of press. Wherever the people can go, the press can go. And that's actually case law. Like he doesn't know what he's talking about. The Supreme Court has rules. That's called Bransford v. Hayes. That I can go to the public access areas. I'm not looking to go.
Shenanigans.
No.
Shenanigans.
No.
And we're calling shenanigans, folks, because Bransford v. Hayes does not say what she says. Bransford v. Hayes does say that the press have the same access to general information that is provided to the public. It also states that just because a member of the press is trying to claim that their actions are in journalistic endeavors, they are still not immune from being prosecuted under civil and criminal laws and statutes that are generally applicable. Meaning, if she wants to go in there with her camera, she could be charged for trespassing and violating the judicial order saying that there are no electronic devices allowed inside the courthouse. She could be found in contempt, and it would not violate her constitutional rights.
To the courtrooms. I understand Georgia law. Law says that I can't. Georgia law says I can't go to the courtrooms, but I can go to the public access areas. I don't care if you follow me. I don't care. That's usually what you guys do.
You can't come past this area, right? Some kind of phone, camera, or electronic. If that's what you want to call it. You refuse an access. You can leave your stuff in the car.
So basically, you're basically following a constitutional judge's order.
I'm following the orders.
Can I ask you a question? So So if the state legislator says that they're going to take away our second right to be to come to the citizens' offices or the houses and take weapons because some legislator or somebody else makes a law, are you going to do that?
I can't tell you what any, I mean, you can.
So they say, hey, look, you need to say, right, so they're going to say, my point in saying that, sir, is just because they make some random judicial order that's unconstitutional doesn't mean that you have to follow it.
I'm sorry, ma'am. This is what we have to do. I apologize.
I just want to come to the public area, sir.
You have to leave your electronic stuff in there. I'm
Can I see
sorry.
that you have a copy of it? I mean, there's no judge's order. Where's the judge's order? Usually, the way the law is supposed to read, it's supposed to be posted so we can see it.
I don't think everything is posted out there.
Well, you have to
see it, or you wouldn't be able to see it.
No. I'm talking about the judge's order that says that. I mean, you obviously have something right here that says.
It's posted all over.
Look, right here it says, yeah, but there's no
There's
judge's
probably
order.
at least 6 or 7 signs around here that warn you ahead of time before you get in here.
Yeah, but that's
So they're
because
not
these
allowed.
signs are unconstitutional. I think we did have a conversation together.
Me and you talked for just about 30 seconds.
Right. I thought
Maybe
I think it was your lieutenant that was over the blue jacket on. Are you a lieutenant or major?
No, ma'am, I'm a major.
That's right. That's right. I did talk to you.
I just spoke to you one day over at the other building.
Correct.
You were walking around filming. You were in the
Correct.
area. You were perfectly allowed.
And I'm perfectly allowed from here?
Just to this point.
No.
Can't go
I'm allowed to hear the public areas.
Not with the cameras and stuff. That's all I can tell you. I'm
So
sorry.
you're refusing access?
With any kind of electronic equipment, yes, ma'am.
And you have no court order that's actually shown?
We have our orders.
But where's it at? You mean, do you have it in writing? You have nothing that you can show me?
I'm just telling you, I'm not going to sit here and argue with you. That won't do you any good. I'm sorry.
See,
But we can't.
I can't go in.
You can go in and you leave your electronic stuff in the car. That's all. It's your choice. You have
Oh,
the
it's not my
option.
choice. See, it's actually your choice. You're the one who's violating the Constitution. You're the one who's actually violating your oath.
Oh, wait, you serious? Let me laugh even harder.
I mean,
Yes, you
I'm
are.
just letting
Your oath to the Constitution, the Georgia State Constitution. I
come
believe
through
is what it says.
with the cameras and the electronic equipment. That's it. There's nothing else to discuss about it.
Well,
I'm
can I at least get your name and your badge number?
My name is Josh Lewis.
Okay.
Badge number would be 1104.
1104. All right, that's fine. I'll just see you in court then. We'll be back here.
I wish you the best of luck.
Well, I don't need luck. I got the Constitution.
Police, walk on the front.
Yes.
Thank you. Ma'am, you cannot go through there.
Why are you refusing access, sir?
You're going to be trespassed on the building.
Well, can I see the paper trespass then?
No,
Why not? You said I'm going to be trespassed. Can I
Yes.
see receive the trespass
you
then?
don't have to receive a trespass.
Okay, so,
I'm
sir,
giving you a trespass.
Major?
I'm sorry.
Is this man's trying to trespass me from the building?
She's trying to walk.
I would like the access to the public area,
No.
sir.
You've already been told.
I don't need to be told. This is open
You
to
have
the
already
public.
been told you cannot.
Move your foot.
Watch your foot, baby. You've already been told you can't come through. Do
Why
try
not?
to come through because it.
Where's the order, sir? Where's the order? He just trespassed me. Is that what's going to stand?
If you walk
You're
in here,
you're in charge. I'm assuming over him,
If you
correct?
you've already been warned that you cannot come in with that. If you try to come through with it, yes, ma'am.
Can I have a trespass then?
I'm sorry.
You said you would give me the trespass. Can I be trespassed? You said you were going to
You
trespass.
already told you could not come through here with that. If you try to come through here with that, if you come into the building with that, you will be arrested for trespassing.
Oh, so if I come in, I'll be arrested.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You've already been warned that you can't bring that stuff in, and that is by order of the court. There's nothing
And you
else
can't
I can
produce
do
the
to
order of the court, though. That's what I'm trying to say. Where's the order of the court? So under Georgia Public Records Law, I'd like to request a copy of that court order.
Then you can go down to the office and request.
Well, I'm asking you. You're the one that's
Not
telling me that
something that I
it's inactive.
But they don't have to provide it to you. They told you that there are signs stating you cannot bring your electronic equipment inside of the courthouse. They told you if you try to go in there with your equipment like you just did, you would be trespassing and you would be arrested. And they also just told you if you wish to see this order, you could go down to the sheriff's office and request it.
You'll have to talk
You don't.
to...
So you don't keep a copy behind the desk.
No, ma'am. Under Sheriff Morales will be here. You need to talk to.
Okay, and where's he at?
That is at our office, which is down. You'll get back on 341. Go down maybe 3-4 miles. That'll be on your left. You'll see it.
And he's got a copy of it.
He should. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll go request it from him then.
Okay.
So if I come in, I'll be arrested.
Ma'am.
If I come in, I'll be arrested. All right, that's all I need to hear.
No, if you come in, you leave your equipment, you'll be fine. You can come in.
So with the equipment, I'll be arrested.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that's all I need to hear.
And I'm going to end the video here. The rest of the video is Lana going to the sheriff's office and speaking to the undersheriff about the judicial order and having a discussion about how it's unconstitutional and it violates her constitutional rights and they threaten to trespass her. Clearly, this is just another tactic that Lana has to waste people's time, to waste the taxpayers' time, and, well, try to find a way to get some go-away money. So if you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up and a comment because it helps me with the algorithm, and if you can, please consider becoming a member. With all that being said, be well, be safe, and I'll see you guys next time. And a special thank you to all members of the news team. Without your guys' continuous, ongoing support, I couldn't keep the channel going, so I want to thank you all personally from the bottom of my heart.